about anything, girl, let's talk about us. All the ways I wanna fall in love, all the ways I wanna build your trust. Yeah. You standing here with me, can't be loved. Come inside, I wanna feel your touch. Elevate, I'm gonna lift you up. Sunset, palm tree gon'
And welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? You good? Yes, so guys, we are at Kamukunji. Even if you're sitting in your living room, we are at Kamukunji, all of us, okay? Yes, so we decided we're going to start the year with new pots and yes, like it's supposed to be. So the wine glasses, we're going for, I can remember I'll put the prices. Yes, I have to put the prices because I've decided to edit this video 2 years later, so don't worry about that. Also, I'll show you the pots at the in this video, so watch till the end, and the price. Okay, nice. Also guys, how beautiful is that shop? See, it's very beautiful. It's very beautiful, nicely arranged, and the prices are not bad. They're very affordable, and yes, so check out trendy. Oh, hey, me I can't with the name. Check them out on all their social media pages. Yes.
trees on top of a hill, no stress. When I hold you in, I'm the one you chose. Overcast, shower you with roses. Keep me in the corners of your mind. We can stop forever here tonight. Baby, it's you and me. It's only you I see. Yeah. If we talk about anything, girl, let's talk about us. All the ways I wanna fall in love, all the ways I wanna build your trust. Yeah. You standing here with me, can't be loved. Come inside, I wanna feel your touch. Elevate, I'm gonna lift you up. Sometimes it can get rough when you've had enough. I'll be your Don Corleone. When you're feeling down, feeling low, you'll never be alone. Not when you're right with me. Oh, I won't see no you and me. Every time the things get bad, promise I won't turn my back. Even if it takes some time, never wanna see you cry. Girl, you need to know it's life means sometimes that we fight. At least we're sitting side by side.
I know I wait
when you're running low on love. I'll be the shoulder that you're leaning on. And when it feels different and things are missing and you're on your worst day, I don't want it any other which way. And when it gets rough, I promise I'll stay. Oh, my heart beats every time you look at me, even when it gets real bad. Never gonna turn my back, even if it takes some time. Never gonna leave you behind. Girl, you need to.
So the set of 5 was going for 7,000. So far so good. Let's see, let's do a review after like a month or 2. Yes, I hope they give me service, but they're of great quality. So I've never used such before, so I can't vouch for them yet. Yes.
Never try, I hold your heart, you're breaking mine. I say I'll go, you say the night, I fall apart, you make it right. I know I'll wait for
So these spoons were going for 500, the 5 of them. So it's like 100 bob each. Yes. There are different types of spoon used with the granite pots. Okay. The spoon was going for 100 bob. It's for chips. The pan is for deep frying, and it was going for 1,000 bob. It was going for 1,000 bob. It's quite deep. It's so nice. My sister sent me that one. Yes, look at that. Look at that. It's so nice. It's of great quality. Box 1 done. We are done with box 1. Box 2, Nyawera, hurry up. That thingy for holding the paper cloth, the paper towel for the kitchen, it was going for 150. That one for putting the spoons, for putting muikos, it was going for 200. Yes, like that. Well, it went for 200 bob. I didn't quite like it, but they I don't know what to say about it. So that's it, guys. I'll write the prices of what I remember down there, then you can visit the page. Please buy. Goodbye.